How to purchase ringtones in iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can purchase ringtones in your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First steps first, make sure that you're connected to your Wi-Fi. After you've connected to your Wi-Fi, you can head over to your iTunes store. Tap on your iTunes store and here you'll find different sections on the bottom right. You can head over to music and you can find music that you want to download. But since we're downloading ringtones or purchasing ringtones, we'll need to head over to this ringtones section. On the ringtone section, you'll find different options such as what's hot, rock ringtones, and more. So if you head over to the charts section, you'll find what's on the top and so on and on. And you'll also see the price right besides them. So whichever ringtone you want to download, simply press on it. After you press on it, you can then buy it by simply tapping on this USD or the payment option. Then you can set it as default or you can set it as text tone. That's completely up to you. Let's set it as default ringtone. And you'll need to now go through the payment method. Make sure that you have enabled your payment method on this. And after that, simply tap on the purchase option to purchase this. After doing that, you'll have downloaded and purchased this ringtone on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.